I just want to tell you guys how thankful I am for each and every single one of you. As you guys saw, we did those limited edition skateboard decks with the new merch drop, you know, the new t-shirts and the FRS. I kid you not, sold out in 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Insane. Like, I literally cannot like pick up the words for that. It never happened to me ever. So I just want to tell you guys thank you so much. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed the new drop. If you guys were not able to make it on time and missed the merch drop, we are doing a remake of that design, but with the STI. So the STI we're in right now, we're gonna do pretty much like the same type of drop, skateboard decks, the t-shirts. It'll show like all the mods on the design, just like the same one that we did, but this time with the STI and the new wheels that are gonna be on it. So that's coming very soon. And as always, like I always tell you in almost every single video, I love you guys and I appreciate you guys more than you ever will know. Still working on getting the orders shipped out to you guys. If you guys have not received a tracking number yet in your email, just know that I'm working on it behind the scenes. I've been trying to find time because I do still work, you know, like a 9 to 5 top of like filming YouTube videos. So time is like super limited on my end right now. So please be patient with me and I'll get those orders shipped out this week. And yeah, I'm just freaking excited for you guys to have this drop because it was by far my favorite set that I've ever dropped. Got the STI one coming soon. Oh man, it's gonna be so fire. I'm excited. Now you guys are probably wondering, where are we going today in the STI? We are actually headed to Delicious Tuning. Today, we're actually getting the car dyno tuned. I pretty much wanted to retune the car. It's very childish. The main reason why was because of that Pops and Banks tune. They have a crazy backfire tune. It's so freaking loud. But also, again, I just wanted to get kind of like an updated refresher tune and kind of see what the numbers are pushing right now in the FRS. Because I did get a dyno tuned by them, I want to say like 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago.
Was your 91 yesterday, which was like 240, and then today you're at 323, 324.
Oh wow, nice. I'm excited. We'll get to see the car on the dyno, being all freaking loud and obnoxious. They literally just called me like not too long ago, told me to come through, get some filming done. So yeah, Delicious Tuning, here we come. All right, we made it to Delicious Tuning. Got their shop cars are here. Check this out. Sprintex Supercharged GRE6. It's so cool being here at Delicious Tuning. If you guys have watched, you know, TJ and all of them, Dustin Williams, they were always here back in the day, so it's so sick with my car actually being here. Alright, so I just got here, but Bill is making me go to the gas station. He's actually low on some E85, and I guess my car is fighting him. Something with my O2 sensors is not going well, so that's honestly very bad news. But hopefully while we're getting gas right here, everything will get sorted out behind the scenes. But yeah, I gotta fill up all these jugs with some E85. Once he's done with the 91 dyno tune, we're gonna jump on the E85, and that is like the most exciting part, you know, the big numbers. The power difference between 91 and E85 is like day and night difference. Try this random Mexican spot. San Diego is just known for their Mexican food. They have the best Mexican food, hands down. If you guys are in California and you think Northern California has better Mexican food, this and that, that's a lie. I low-key want a burrito. I'm gonna be basic. I'm gonna get a California burrito. If you guys have never heard of a California burrito before, I'm gonna show you guys today. Yes, please. Red and green, please. Yeah. Me too. Alright, so as you can see, we made it back to Delicious Tuning. We have the FRS right behind me. I literally just saw him do a pull off camera, and dude, this thing is so freaking loud over here. Never really got to hear what the car sounds like from the outside perspective. I may have like once or twice, but not like full throttle like this. He's working on 91 still. We have yet to go on 85, but I'm excited. I'll go and show you guys some of the dyno pulls. What do you think it's gonna be out with like 85? 340, 350. 340, okay. finally eating now. Let's see, random taco shop, California burrito. Yeah, all the California burrito really is steak, cheese, sour cream, and fries. So freaking good. All right, looks like he's about to do some dyno pulls on E85. I'm hungry, I gotta get a few bites in. On 91, the car made 310 horsepower. Now before on 91, in the past when I got it tuned, I think it was at like 260 horsepower, so that's a 50 horsepower difference. That's on 91, which is crazy. I kind of told him to be a little bit aggressive with it, kind of push the power a little bit. 310 horsepower just on 91 octane. Keep in mind, I was at 320 on E85, so that's pretty good. Almost E85 numbers on 91 alone. I'm expecting 350 on E85. That's my low guess. Bro, that is so loud. Guys, I can't see the freaking screen, so I gotta zoom in on my phone to read it. Oh. Does that say 340? Yo, that's freaking crazy. Bro, it's way different being on the outside, hearing that full throttle. That is insanely loud. Dude, I think that was 349. That's damn near 350. 30 or 40 horsepower difference than last time. I can't believe I'm using my phone as like my glasses pretty much. Damn, 349. That's so sick. God, that's crazy. Dude, freaking, where's it? 355. Let's go. Oh my god. That was like a gunshot. Alright, so I just talked to Bill. The final numbers are 357 on E85 and 310 on pump gas 91. Now, those are some solid numbers. That's a good 37 horsepower more on E85 than before. Big power gains. I've pretty much kept the same stuff on the car too. Told him to go more aggressive on the tune. So I'm happy with the power gains. I'm excited. I think right now he's gonna do some flame shots. Guys, the quality on these boards is insane. I seriously cannot get over it. I literally just finished up packing everything. If you place an order through the website, everything is now shipped to you guys. Last night I was just talking with, you know, the guy that prints all my stuff. So we are actually doing a drop for the STI. As you can tell, there is stock wheels on the STI right now. Very, very soon. The wheels should be arriving in the next few days. So we're pretty much gonna do like a brand new wheel reveal slash merch drop, you know, with skateboard decks as well. Like I said, the boards sold out in less than 1 minute. So if you guys do not want to miss this drop, be sure to follow my Instagrams to stay updated, because I do post a lot on my story, you know, like updates and reminders stuff and everything like that. So yeah, they went by fast. So if you guys don't want to miss this drop, be sure to stay tuned. Design is fire. I already leaked it on Instagram. If you guys follow me already, then you guys probably saw that. My goodness, it has been raining so much in San Diego. I've yet to wash the cars. Like, look at this. This is so unacceptable. Maybe today we'll go ahead and have a wash day of all the cars. But hopping in the 2022 BRZ, man, I don't want to spoil it, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be in the next video, but probably in the next 2 videos. I'm gonna reveal something very, very, very big that's coming for this car. Now, if you guys can put 2 and 2 together, then you guys already know. But I don't know what video I'm gonna reveal it in, but just thinking about it is just cheesing me up. This is gonna be insane. That's coming very soon. Actually, I feel like the end of my videos, I like to tease what's coming next, because you guys that are still watching are the real ones, and you guys deserve to see little teasers that's coming up soon. So this is probably gonna be the next video on the channel. We just got this massive box from Aeroflow Dynamics. This is a brand new exhaust. Now, if you remember, we did install something from Aeroflow Dynamics on this car, but this time it's for the STI. That's probably gonna be the next video on the channel. So lots to look forward to, lots of stuff I'm excited for. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. We got some good power numbers from the FRS. A nice little horsepower jump from what it was before. It's always so sick seeing that car on the dyno, you know, getting tuned, shooting flames and stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for everything that's about to come soon. I just had to spill the beans towards the end of this video. Big things are coming for the BRZ, literally.